Have you ever wondered, worried about what the market is going to do next? My name's Adrian Reid. This is Enlightened Stock Trading. And in this video series, I'm talking about real stock trading tips. Now, I don't mean buy this stock, sell that stock. I mean tips that are going to set you up for a lifetime of profitable trading. Now, here's the thing. In this tip, the tip is if you can profit from all the things the market can do, then it doesn't matter what the market does. So if you find yourself lying there at night worrying about whether the market's going to crash or wondering whether the sideways consolidation is going to finally stop and turn into a new bull market, or stressing whether the bull market is going to go on for longer or whether it's over, chances are that means that you don't have systems, trading systems that allow you to profit from all the different market behaviors. If you've got trading systems that profit when the market is going up, when the market is going sideways, and when the market is going down, it doesn't matter whether the market goes up, sideways, or down, you can still make money. We want to be diversified as traders. You want to have systems that make money in all different market conditions. That way, no matter what is happening in the world, you've got something in your portfolio that's going to be making money. So we don't want to just buy and hold on the long side. We don't want to just have one trend following system. We don't want to just have one mean reversion system. What you want is a portfolio of trading systems that make money in different market conditions. That way, no matter what happens, you're going to be profitable. So if you want to improve, diversify your portfolio of trading systems, you'll sleep better at night, you'll make more money, and your returns will be more consistent. My name's Adrian Reid. This is Enlightened Stock Trading. Hope you're enjoying these stock trading tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.